Hey guys, today we're working on a 2018 F550 doing a service. I wanted to just show you guys how to remove these. This is under the hood. This is one of the filters you're going to be changing. You want to just pop this little guy here up. Use a screwdriver if you want, but I usually just pop it up like that. Then you want to squeeze these little side clips right here. There's two of them. And that just comes off. Put it back on. I've already done this. And this one here has two blue clips. You can see these ones. I'll show you the red ones. It's easier. The red ones, you just squeeze these, push, and then pull that off. The blue one, you want to pull back a little bit and push it like that. And then once it gets all the way off, you can use a screwdriver right here to pry if you have to. It comes off too, see? This pulls right off. You put this back on. I've already done this. I was just showing you how to do it. Push that on there, push that on, push the clip down, make sure it locks in. There's another one under the cab. I'll get to that one in another video and attach it to this one. All right guys, have a good day. 2018 F550 6.7. I do believe this is what this is, 6.7 turbo diesel. You guys have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.